Okay guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to install and work with the WordPress app on your mobile phone. Okay, so right here I got my mobile phone. I'm just gonna go straight to the Google Play Store, from where I can download the WordPress app. Okay, just go straight up to Google Play Store right here and type WordPress. Okay, there you go. So I got it right here. I'll install. Just allow it to install into my phone so I can open it and access the app. Now the WordPress app on mobile works the same way as the one we looked at on the desktop. The same way, the same back office, the same tools to work with, only that this one has been designed for the mobile phone. Okay, we have our WordPress app downloaded and installed on my device right now. So what I have to do is just click on open. Okay, it says welcome to the world's most popular website builder. Okay, all right, I already have an account saved on WordPress, so it says for me to choose it. Let's go ahead and choose that. But if not, all you have to do is just click on the none of the above, or you click outside, all right, of the pop-up window, all right. And if you have logged in before, if you have an account, you just click login or sign up with WordPress.com. Okay, or if you have an existing site address, you just click on that. So let's go to login. So I put in my email address right there. So show it, just brought it up. Put in your email address right there, and then continue. Email, not username. Continue. Then your password. Put in your password as if you already have. Continue. Alright, good. So okay, so it brings you to your dashboard. Okay, your back office, your dashboard. And if you want to see your sites, if you already have some sites, you just click on this chevron here. It brings the sites. If you want to create a new one, you click on this plus sign right here. It says add new sites, create WordPress.com sites, or add a self-hosted site. So if you want to create a WordPress sites using the app, you just click on this one. Or if you have a website you already have somewhere hosted, you click this one. Okay, let's see. There's WordPress. just takes you straight to the template page, depending on the pages you want to create. Okay, about page, you have the template for about page. Links, you have templates for links. Blogs, you have templates for blogs. All right, so different templates, and then you can also select from up here. Okay, depending on what you want to do. Okay, and on what you want to do. Let's try this. You have your about page right there. So you choose it, preview, or you choose, or you can skip and then go straight to first of all creating your domain name. Let's see, my WordPress site. WordPress site, my WordPress. Okay, do that. Okay, say that one is unavailable. Let's say my WordPress site. Okay, what it's actually doing is search whether this site is available, okay, for you to use. All right, or it can give you options, okay, that you choose. Okay, so you just type your domain name is actually your business name. All right, type your business name. Let's say Nkechi's Fashion. Okay, see whether this one can go. All right, so we have different options that is giving you to choose from. Nkechi's Fashion .wordpress.com is available, so you can just click on that and go to create sites. Okay, so say your site has been created. So the WordPress app has already created the site for you. Okay, that's what the app does. So from here you can now start designing the site using the template that you want, adding and removing the pages, and just give it the look and feel that you want. Okay, so we go there. Say one little help. We'll talk you through the basics of building and growing your site. You can say no thanks, and then it brings you to your dashboard right here. Okay, so you can now go ahead and add your site title. Okay, cheese fashion. Remember, the other one we did was the domain name. That's the name people will see as your site address, www.nkechisfashion.wordpress.com. Right, you have the wordpress.com suffix there, right, because you are hosting it on the wordpress.com site, right? It's a free version you're using, right? You're hosting it on their site. Okay, or you can, if you want, add your site icon here. Would you like to add site icon? So you go yes. All right, WordPress needs permission to access your photos, so you say allow. Okay, so you just go to your photos and just choose anything. Just choose the icon you size very well. Your site icon is what they will be seeing beside your site's title. Okay, just choose, bam, so post it right there. All right, so it's as simple as that. All right, so I already have some websites I've created before. This is the WordPress app right now, and this is my landing page. Okay, so the sites you're seeing right here are sites I've already created using this app before. Okay, this for this particular website, Mindware Consultant Limited. So you have the tools you can use to create your site. Here, right here, you have the stats. Okay, you have the stats here. Here's for the stats. Okay, so here you get statistics about your site. This is a site I've already a site that's actually in progress, which I actually use for practice, for training, for demonstration, or rather. So here you see the stats, how it tells you how the site is doing. All right, what goes on in the site, number of visitors, number of views, and all that. So here you have the posts. Tells you the number of posts that you have on the website. All right, published, draft, scheduled, and trashed. But right here, I don't have anyone here because this is actually used for training purposes and for demonstration. Right here, you have the media. So it shows you all the images you have on your WordPress application, okay, from which you can use to actually design your sites. Okay, so here I have the pages. Okay, it shows you all the pages you have on your site. All right, home page, about page, about, and all that. All these are pages I've already created on this site. Okay, that page I already have on this site. And then this particular site, those are the pages I have here. But if you want to see other sites, like I said before, you have them here. Let's say, for example, you have other sites you have created before. Okay, right here you have the plan. So if you want to, these are the various plans, okay, for the different types of WordPress applications, or different versions of it. The first one is for free, which is the one we're using right now. All right, and remember, like already stated in an earlier class, we have WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Okay, so this particular app we're using, all right, which is the free version, is from WordPress.com. Okay, WordPress.com, and you also have other versions, all right, depending on what you want to do. Okay, you have the personal, we have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the e-commerce. Depending on what you want to do, what kind of site you want to create, you can choose any of the plans. But for now, we're using this WordPress.com free, the free plan, all right, the free version of it right here. Okay, so that's for the various plans. Then of course you have the stats, I already mentioned. Then activities log right here, right, the different things that you have done while you are creating your site. It actually records them on your back office. So peradventure you stop somewhere, you can actually go back and then start from that particular place. And here you have the different things on your website. Right, you have the blog posts right here. This shows you your blog posts. I don't have any here because, like I said, it's for demonstration. You have the media. I think we've already seen this before. You have the site pages, and then you have the comments. So I think these are basically the same with the ones up here. Alright, and then you have your themes. From here you can see different themes on the website. Alright, you can see the particular one you're actually using here. It says current theme, that theme using here. And then right here you could customize details. So this actually takes us to the WordPress.com site. That's the details. If you want to see the details about that particular theme, okay, so that's for the themes. And then here you have configuration. You have people. These are the team or the users who may be having access to the website. All right, so for now it's just me that have access to this particular site. Okay, and because this one I'm actually using it for demonstration purposes. All right, so if you are in an organization and or you've designed a website for an organization and you want a particular team in the organization to have access to the website, so what you have to do is to they will all be right here. Okay, they will all be right here. Okay, if you want to add more people, you could just click the plus sign, right, and then put the person's username, put the person's role. Basically you can have one admin, right, and then you have editor, you have author, you have contributor, you have follower. So these are the various roles of people you can have on the back office, right, playing different roles on as far as the website development and maintenance is concerned. Okay, then you have your custom message right there. Okay, so here's for sharing. Then you have for settings right here. So this is where you have settings. You can set things on the website. Okay, here's for the site title, tagline, address, and all that. Okay, then if you want to view the site, all you have to do is just click on this. All right, and it will just take you to the front end of the site that you are building. Okay, so this is the front end of the site. You can see this is the front end of the site. All right, there's actually templates I used to do this. So this one is my admin dashboard. All right, my admin dashboard, as you can see, is just similar to the one we have on the desktop when we downloaded the WordPress for desktop. It's just the same stuff here. All right, so you can see your homepage, stats, upgrade, just those things we had on our desktop version. Alright, so we can still go back. Okay, now if you want to add a page or a post, all right, you can see this sign here, this plus sign here. All you have to do is just click it, all right, and it says add new post, new blog post or site page. You want to add a new site page, just click on that and it will bring up templates, different templates for different pages. Okay, right here you have a blog. If it's a blog you want to do, you have about page, you have links, you have splash, highlights, portfolio, contact, team, services, home. So these are the different pages. If you want to create a page, you just choose any one and it will bring out the templates that are suitable for that particular page. Let's say we want to create a services page. You just click on the services, so it brings templates for a services page. You just look at the ones that are available there, all right, and you can just view it. Or if you want to create your own, you can click here, create blank page. All right, either you choose any of this and preview. All right, you can just preview it. If it's something you like, fine. Okay, you can make use of it. You just click on create page right here, right? But if not, you can just simply go back, choose another one. Okay, you can just choose another one. All right, but if you do not want any particular one, you could just simply use a blank page. All right, here you will also see create blank page. All right, either you choose the one you have there. Okay, you have different templates right here for team, contact page, service page, home page, and all that. So either you choose from the options you have here, or you can create your own blank page. Okay, you design your own from the scratch. Okay, here you can see add title. All right, now you can design a page. All right, and using the Gutenberg editor, right? WordPress editor, which is called the Gutenberg. I think in a subsequent video, I'm going to talk about how to use the different types of WordPress editors. We have Gutenberg and we have the Elementor. Okay, so here you can add your title. Let's say this is a service page. This is services, right? And if you want to add something, all right, you could just choose from this spot right here, the icons you have here, whatever you want to add, your paragraph, your verse, space, short code, buttons, social icons, and whatnot have you. Okay, so that's for services. You could come right here. Let's centralize this. You may want to centralize this. Okay. Okay, so you can start writing. whatever you want to write. Okay. Okay, so you're done with that. You can click on the blank space. It will open up another block. So these are blocks. All right, you're done with this. You click, it opens another block. You just click, it opens another block. Then you can add things as you create the block. Okay, add things as you create them. All right, but then if you don't want to type, you can as well click on this plus sign here. All right, to add anything that you want to put. If let's say you want to put an image, you can just click on the image button right here. Okay, and then you choose the image that you want to add and choose from your device. You can take a photo. You can choose from the WordPress media library that you already have, or choose from free photo library, or choose from Tenor. So let's say choose from WordPress library, which we already have right here. So choose this, then you click on this. There you can see your image right there. All right, so whatever it is you want to create, you can create. You can label the image. Okay, caption, and caption it professionals. Okay, that's for that. Go to another block. Whatever you want to put, you can just click on this add sign here. Let's say you want to put a button, just click on the button. So it brings up a button right here. All right, you can type what you want the button to do right there. Okay, so that's the button there, and you can go to another block and add anything else you want to add. Okay, add whatever you want to add. Okay, let's say you want to add social icons. All right, social icons, you can just click on that there. So you put your social media icons. Okay, so you can add them here. You have the WordPress, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can add more by clicking the plus sign. Okay, you can add more: Telegram, WhatsApp, Pinterest, YouTube, and all that. Let's add YouTube right there. Okay, as you add, you can add the URL, all right, and then the label. Okay, so you want to edit any of them, you just click on it. You add the URL and the label. Okay, if you want to add label, or you can just leave it. Okay, just with the URL. So that's how you create your page, your blank page. All right, but alternatively, like I said, you don't want to design from scratch, you can just use a template depending on the particular page, a template that suits the kind of page that you want to create. All right, so that's that for downloading and installing the WordPress app on your mobile device. All right, so if you have any questions at all, you can just leave it on the comment section can post it on our group chats, and I'll definitely try to do justice to it. Okay, so thank you and enjoy your web design.